If you are living with diabetes, the key to better health may already be in your kitchen. I am not talking about complex diets. I am talking about simple, real vegetables you can eat every day. Today, we will cover broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, asparagus, cabbage, zucchini, and kale. Each one supports steady blood sugar, the heart, the kidneys, digestion, and the immune system. I will show you why they help, how much to eat, the best ways to cook them, easy meal ideas, and common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you will have a simple plan you can start today. Important note: this video is for education only. Always follow your doctor or dietitian if you have specific medical needs. How to use these vegetables for steady numbers. Build a balanced plate. Half of your plate is non-starchy vegetables. 1/4 lean protein. 1/4 slow carbs, if you include them. Add a small amount of healthy fat. Pair fiber with protein. Fiber slows sugar into the blood. Protein and healthy fat slow it even more. Watch portions for carbs. These 7 vegetables are low in carbs. Still, sauces and add-ons can add sugar and fat fast. Choose simple cooking. Steam, roast, grill, saute in olive oil, or air fry. Avoid heavy breading, creamy sauces, and sugar in dressings. Drink water and move. A short walk for 10 to 15 minutes after meals helps your body use sugar. Vegetable 1. Broccoli. Why? Broccoli helps. Broccoli is rich in fiber and helpful plant compounds. Fiber slows digestion and helps prevent a fast rise in blood sugar after you eat. Broccoli also supports insulin action. That means your body can use sugar from food in a more steady way. It also brings vitamin C, vitamin K, and minerals that support the heart and blood vessels. Heart, kidney, gut, and immune support. Heart. Broccoli supports healthy blood pressure and better blood fats when part of a balanced diet. Kidneys. It is naturally low in sodium. That is gentle for kidney care. Gut. The fiber in broccoli supports regular digestion. Immune. Vitamin C supports your natural defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A typical serving is half a cup cooked, which is about 3 to 4 ounces. Steam it until bright green and tender, not mushy. Toss with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and black pepper. Add 2 omelets, stir-fries, soups, and grain bowls. Avoid this. Do not drown broccoli in heavy cream sauces or very salty packaged mixes. Those add sugar, salt, and fat that can work against your goals. Vegetable 2. Spinach. Why? Spinach helps. Spinach is a leafy green with very few carbs and a lot of fiber. Fiber slows sugar into the blood and helps you feel full longer. Spinach also brings vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium. These help the heart, the blood vessels, and insulin action. More benefits: heart, potassium, and magnesium support healthy blood pressure, kidneys. Spinach is naturally low in sodium. Gut. Fiber supports regularity and comfort. Immune, vitamin C, and plant compounds support your defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A serving is 1 cup fresh leaves, or half a cup cooked. Saute in olive oil with garlic and a squeeze of lemon. Raw leaves. 2 salads and wraps. Blend into smoothies with water or unsweetened almond milk and a few berries. Avoid this. Skip heavy creamed spinach from restaurants or freezer aisles that add a lot of salt and fat. Choose plain fresh or plain frozen spinach and season it yourself. Vegetable 3. Cauliflower. Why? Cauliflower helps. Cauliflower is low in carbs and high in fiber. It slows digestion and keeps your energy steady. It also brings vitamin C, vitamin K, and helpful minerals for the heart and blood vessels. More benefits: heart supports healthy blood pressure and better blood fats when used in place of starchy sides. Kidneys. Naturally modest in sodium and gentle when seasoned simply. Gut. Fiber supports smooth digestion. Immune, vitamin C supports your defenses. Portion. And simple cooking. A serving is 1 cup chopped. About 3 to 4 ounces cooked. Roast florets with olive oil, garlic, and paprika. Make cauliflower mash with a little olive oil and herbs in place of mashed potatoes. Make cauliflower. Rice for bowls and stir-fries. Avoid this. Skip frozen cauliflower. In cheesy sauces or deep-fried options. These add sugar, salt, and fats that you do not need. Vegetable 4. Asparagus. Why asparagus helps? Asparagus is low in carbs and rich in fiber. It also brings potassium, magnesium, and chromium. These support the way your body uses sugar and support the heart as well. More benefits. Heart. Potassium and magnesium support healthy pressure and rhythm. Kidneys. Asparagus is low in sodium and has gentle diuretic effects, which can help with fluid balance. Gut. Fiber supports comfort and regularity. Immune, vitamins C and E support your defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A serving is 5 to 7 spears. About 3 to 4 ounces. Roast with olive oil, black pepper, and lemon zest. Grill and top with a light drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Chop into omelets, salads, or quinoa bowls. Avoid this. Avoid canned asparagus with very high salt. If you buy canned, rinse it well and pick low sodium on the label. Vegetable 5. Cabbage. Why cabbage helps? Cabbage is crunchy, budget-friendly, and very low in carbs. It brings fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant compounds that support the heart and digestion. More benefits. Heart. Helps keep blood, fats, and blood pressure in a healthy range. When part of a balanced diet, kidneys, low in sodium. When you season it yourself, gut. Fiber supports regularity and comfort. Immune, vitamin C, supports your body's defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A serving is 1 cup shredded. About 3 to 4 ounces. Make a warm cabbage sauté with olive oil, garlic, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Add shredded cabbage to soups and stir-fries. Make a simple slaw with olive oil, lemon, and a pinch of salt. No sugar needed. Avoid this. Skip pre-made salads and dressings with added sugar. Many bottled slaw dressings are sweet. Make your own simple dressing. Vegetable 6. Zucchini. Why zucchini helps? Zucchini is mild, easy to cook, and very low in carbs. It brings fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. It helps you feel full and supports steady numbers. More benefits. Heart. Potassium supports normal blood pressure. Kidneys. Naturally low in sodium and gentle on the system. Gut. Fiber supports smooth digestion and comfort. Immune, vitamin C, and plant compounds support your defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A serving is 1 cup sliced. About 3 to 4 ounces. Sauté slices with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Grill long strips as a side. Spiralize into zucchini noodles and toss with tomato, basil, and olive oil. Avoid this. Skip breaded and deep-fried zucchini. Also watch for packaged zucchini sides with creamy or sugary sauces. Vegetable 7. Kale. Why kale helps? Kale is a leafy green that is low in carbs and high in fiber. It helps slow sugar into the blood and supports insulin action. It also brings vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. More benefits. Heart. Plant compounds help calm inflammation in the blood vessels. Kidneys, low in sodium and gentle when prepared simply. Gut. Fiber supports regularity and better nutrient absorption. Immune. Vitamin C supports healthy defenses. Portion and simple cooking. A serving is 1 cup chopped raw or half a cup cooked. Massage raw kale with a little olive oil and lemon to soften the leaves for salads. Sauté with garlic and olive oil. soups, eggs, and grain bowls. Avoid this kale. Chips in bags can be very salty or oily. If you want chips, bake your own with a light spray of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Easy plate builder. Mix and match. Pick one vegetable base, half the plate: broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, asparagus, cabbage, zucchini, or kale. Add one lean protein, 1/4 of the plate: chicken breast, turkey, fish like salmon or trout, tofu, eggs, or cottage cheese. Add one slow carb if you include carbs: 1/4 of the plate: quinoa, wild rice, black rice, lentils, or a small baked sweet potato. Keep to half a cup cooked. Add healthy fat small amount: olive oil, avocado, nuts, or seeds. Season smart. Use lemon, lime, garlic, fresh herbs, pepper, cumin, paprika, chili flakes, or vinegar. Go light on salt. 7 simple dinner ideas: lemon garlic, broccoli chicken, roasted chicken breast with steamed broccoli, olive oil, lemon, and black pepper. Add a small scoop of quinoa, spinach, and salmon plate. Pan-seared salmon over a warm spinach, sauté with garlic and cherry tomatoes. Cauliflower mash bowl. Grilled turkey patties with creamy cauliflower mash and a side salad. Asparagus and shrimp skillet shrimp. Asparagus and zucchini in olive oil, garlic, and lemon zest. Cabbage stir-fry, shredded cabbage, bell peppers, and tofu with ginger and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce or coconut aminos. Zucchini noodle pasta. Zucchini noodles with tomato, basil, olives, and shaved Parmesan. Add grilled chicken if you like. Kale and lentil soup. Kale, carrots, onion, garlic, tomato, and lentils. Finish with olive oil and lemon. 1 week vegetable plan. Swap days as you like. Day 1 lunch: chicken and broccoli bowl with quinoa. Dinner: spinach omelet with side salad. Day 2 lunch: cauliflower rice, stir-fry with tofu and mixed veg. Dinner: asparagus and salmon with lemon. Day 3 lunch: cabbage and turkey sauté with herbs. Dinner: zucchini noodles with tomato and grilled chicken. Day for lunch: kale and lentil soup with side salad. Dinner: broccoli and shrimp skillet with garlic. Day 5 lunch: spinach salad with eggs, avocado, and seeds. Dinner: cauliflower mash with baked trout and green beans. Day 6 lunch: cabbage, slaw with chicken and olive oil lemon dressing. Dinner: asparagus and tofu sheet pan with peppers and onions. Day 7 lunch: zucchini and turkey meatballs with tomato. Dinner: kale sauté with chickpeas, tomatoes, and wild rice. Half a cup cooked. Adjust portions to your needs and your numbers. Smart shopping checklist. Buy fresh or plain frozen vegetables with no sauce. Read labels. Avoid added sugar, heavy creams, and very high salt. Stock olive oil, garlic, onion, lemon, herbs, and spices. Keep plain frozen spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower on hand for fast meals. Common mistakes to avoid oversaucing. Creamy and sweet sauces add sugar and fat. Breading and deep frying. This changes a healthy food into a heavy one. Tiny veggie portions. Make half your plate of non-starchy vegetables. Forgetting protein. Protein helps you feel full and keeps numbers steady. Skipping water and movement. Hydration and a short walk after meals help a lot. Quick myth: vegetables are boring. Truth: spice, acid, and texture make them great. Use lemons, herbs, garlic, and different cooking methods. Myth: raw is always better. Truth: light cooking can make some nutrients easier to use and can aid digestion. Myth: potatoes count as non-starchy veggies. Truth: white potatoes and fries are starchy. Today's 7 are non-starchy. Final thought: every meal is a chance to support your health. Broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, asparagus, cabbage, zucchini, and kale are simple, tasty, and powerful. They help you manage blood sugar, support insulin action, protect the heart and kidneys, aid digestion, and boost immunity. Keep your cooking simple. Fill half your plate with these vegetables. Pair them with lean protein, a small slow carb if you include it, and a little healthy fat. Drink water. Take a short walk. Small steps done often create big change. If this helps you, please like the video, subscribe for more weekly tips, and share this with someone who needs simple, real steps for better health. Tell me in the comments which vegetable you will cook first.